Hello, everyone. Welcome to another session with me, Valerie Williams. Welcome back. Thank you for being a part and watching, listening to wherever you are. Today, as always, I want to talk about these multiple income streams and start showing you specifically what some of these income streams are. So let's dive right in. So my business is called Dimensional Talent Streams. It's a business and finance platform where I offer consulting, coaching, into the different multiple income streams that are available for business owners, entrepreneurs, and online marketers. So let's dive in and talk about some of these multiple income streams that are available to us that we can actually tap into. So the business platform that I use for my business, it's called TW3. What is TW3? It's a business platform that serves diverse industries such as restaurants, real estate, car dealerships, sales, insurance, business, and so many more industries. Now, the system can be used for existing business owners. It can be used for entrepreneurs, online marketers, and TW3 can also be offered as an affiliate or for sales reps who want to try to resell the TW3 system on its own. So if you're looking for a business opportunity, you can create your own business using TW3 as your platform. You can also resell the TW3 system as what we call coming on as a member, being a sales rep and trainer, and training others on the system. Now, when I say becoming a member, meaning you purchase the platform so that you can learn about what the platform offers, all the ins and outs of it, so that you can be able to, if you're going to be selling it or acquiring some affiliates, that you have the mechanics as to how the platform actually works. If you're a business owner, you purchase the platform and you plug it in and use the things that you want to use for your specific business. Now, as a sales rep and trainer, the system can also be used to recruit sales reps and affiliates to resell the system. And you can also leverage their time and effort so that you're getting paid off of the time and effort of your sales reps and affiliates. So for example, I'm what I call an elite member, and I can go and hire some sales reps and get some affiliates to also help me and assist me with getting the word out on this business platform. And I can leverage and I get additional streams of income based on what my sales reps and my affiliates are doing to assist me with promoting the platform. So that is an additional stream of income. So I kind of want to give a recap. There are three things. You can resell the system, you can resell and train, and you can recruit sales reps and affiliates. So those three streams right there. Now, I mentioned about TW3 and be having a membership because obviously it's a platform and you want to purchase the platform so that you can understand how it actually works and how you can actually plug it into your business if you're an existing business owner. If you're going to be a sales rep and take the platform and just sell it outright, you still want to have an idea of what it offers. So when you're talking to people, you can be able to tell them the mechanics of how the platform actually works. So I call it a membership. There are three memberships. There's a sales rep and a trainer, a plus sales rep and a trainer, and an elite sales rep and a trainer. What's the difference between the three level memberships is what you're actually getting. Your sales rep and trainer, you're just going to get the basics of what the platform actually does. And as you upgrade, more income streams are going to be unlocked for you to take advantage of. Elite, the highest level, the elite level is like a business in a box. So you have everything. Again, the only difference between the three levels is depending on where you're going to come in at, you will have more things unlocked for you as far as the different income streams and what you can do to plug it into your business, or if you're a member, what you can offer to people that you're talking to. If you want to become an entrepreneur, how you can actually use the platform for yourself and starting your own business. So next, I want to talk about the referral marketing partners. We call them RPMs, and this is another stream of income that is provided within the TW3 platform. So whether you're a sales rep and trainer, a plus member, or an elite member, what you can do with our referral marketing partners, you will have access to other jobs, other business opportunities, products, giveaways that you can begin to share with clients that you talk to for existing business owners, and that creates an additional stream of income for you. So thus far, I kind of want to give a recap. So we went over 5 income streams. So if you're an existing business owner, you can obtain the TW3 platform for your business and plug it in and use the different pieces of the TW3 platform to maximize on revenue for your business. The second thing is it's a marketing platform. So if you wanted to go and get you some sales reps and some affiliates to promote the platform, that is another stream of income because you're going to be leveraging off of their efforts and their time. The three is you can resell the platform as a sales rep and trainer. You can recruit sales reps and affiliates. And again, we have the referral marketing packages. We have all different types of opportunities. So when you're talking to clients, you can begin, if something pops up into your mind as to one of the referral marketing packages that you have, you can mention that to them, and that would create another income stream. We have a lot of national clients. So for example, maybe, a client is coming to you about a legal issue. Well, within the referral marketing packages, there may be some opportunities for legal advice where you could tell your client about the referral marketing package dealing with any legal aspect. And if they take advantage of it, you then in turn create additional revenue stream for yourself. Now, again, I want to address my existing business owners. For existing business owners, you can take advantage of all of the following that I just mentioned, those 5 streams. I will be talking more into detail. I will be promoting and doing a video once a week, and it will be up on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for a link where you can follow me, where I will dive in and outline a little bit more and unfold these additional income streams through the TW3 platform and how you can use it as an existing business owner. But again, all of the 5 streams that I just mentioned, as an existing business owner, you would have access to that. In addition to the streams of income I've mentioned today, I just want to mention you'll have access, as I mentioned, to these revenue streams. Again, follow me on this journey as I unlock more revenue streams and just what that will look like and how you can use it in your existing business, or if you're an online marketer or a entrepreneur. Just sit tight, just follow me as I unlock. We're in for a journey on these income streams and how you can really maximize and leverage. I mean, we all know coming out of COVID, how that has affected so many businesses, marketers, entrepreneurs, just everybody, and why it is so important to have multiple streams of income. We've always heard the term, don't put all of your eggs in a basket. When you have one income stream, that is in fact what you're doing, is putting your eggs all in one basket, and anything can happen. COVID, perfect example. Now, if we had some additional income streams, maybe we wouldn't have been hit so hard by COVID, because we would have had at least a cushion through some of these additional income streams. So now I want to kind of do a little live demo on some of I'm going to do one referral marketing partner that we do have through the TW3 system. They are called Max Bounty. Now, what happens is you become an affiliate and you promote any of the thousands of offers and giveaways that's offered by Max Bounty. So you become an affiliate, and this is a way to create an additional stream of income for you as you're talking to clients. and you happen to remember, an opportunity, a promotion that you have through Max Bounty, you can mention that to your client, that can really help them out and create a stream and get paid and actually get paid. And there are thousands of offers. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Give me 1 second, guys, as I try to toggle. Okay, so I'm gonna stop share screen again. Sorry, guys, for this. I'm so sorry. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Sorry for that little hiccup, everybody. Okay, so this is Max Bounty. And this is just the website I went to, maxbounty.com. They have an affiliate introduction guide. You do have to apply to become an affiliate with them. They are based out of Canada. They have a guide and a walkthrough as to what you need to do to actually apply to become an affiliate with them. So here is the guide. They do provide you with a dashboard where all of their opportunities, all of their giveaways, their promotions are all on this dashboard, and you choose which opportunities, which giveaways, promotions that you want to promote. So you get a dashboard that has a conglomerate of all of their offers, and you pick and choose which ones resonate with you. And so you get in the dashboard to do that, and also to monitor your performance as you are promoting campaigns and opportunities. You have a dashboard to kind of look at any analytical data on your performance. You are paid, so there is on your dashboard, you'll set up your payment method. I believe they have a method that they use called Payoneer, which is kind of a debit card. And as you begin to promote, they just send all of your funds, your payment, to their Payoneer, like a debit card, or you can choose another method on there, but you would select how you want to have your setup for your payments on your affiliate dashboard. The campaigns on there, you would learn the difference between the active and request. There's certain campaigns that you have to request to be a part of, and there's some that you can just go on there, click on them, and join. Get your an affiliate link for that particular promotion or opportunity. There are bonuses as well within the first 3 months. If you sell up to $1,000 worth of campaigns, promotions, they in turn give you an additional $1,000, but you have to do it within the first 3 months. But they do promotions, on a number of occasions. So that's something additional within Max Bounty, is not only the affiliate links that you can promote, but also the bonuses within Max Bounty as an additional stream of income to leverage and increase your revenue. You also are assigned an affiliate manager who will utilize, and enhance your Max Bounty experience, will troubleshoot any questions, issues that you may have, may be able to give you some suggestions, point things out, because you can market this on social media, you can market this on Craigslist, and different ways that you can actually promote. You can promote it to your clients, and just really be creative with how you promote. Max Bounty does have suggestions for how you promote. I think they do limit how you're promoting, but for the most part, your affiliate manager will, point that out to you and work that out with you as well. But this is an additional stream of income that can be earned by you through affiliate, by becoming an affiliate, and promoting campaigns, promoting promotions, giveaways, and getting an affiliate link to certain things to get additional income streams. Now, I mentioned the dashboard. I'm going to kind of come over here. This is what the dashboard looks like. This is my affiliate manager here. This is what your dashboard actually looks like. You'll see at the top any new campaigns that come out. They list their top campaigns, and you'll see some of the campaigns here, how much they pay per lead. They range anywhere from $5. You'll see one here for $131 per lead. And, you can see how many campaigns and promotions that they have. I mean, I can just scroll endlessly. So you can actually go through these one by one, see which ones resonate with you, identify with you, maybe will enhance your business even more. I know for me, being in the business finance arena, anything dealing with business and finance, health insurance, anything with prescription discounts, car insurance, employment, job boards, things of that really kind of help leverage my business. So that will just kind of give you an idea, but you can see here the number of campaigns that they have and get an idea of how much they pay per lead. So at the top of this dashboard, as I mentioned, they'll list them by new campaign, the top campaigns, trending. They even have suggestions for you. You recently viewed, as you can see here, there's quite a few that I've recently viewed. There are some campaigns you will need approval for, and it is outlined here within the dashboard how you go about doing that, or you just simply reach out to your affiliate manager to tell you how to do that. You can search. There's different traffic types on how do you do it. I mentioned that you can promote your affiliate links through Max Bounty, through social media here. They've got native ads, they've got emails, mobiles. So, there's several different ways that you can promote through Max Bounty, the affiliate links that you get through them. Let's see here. You can browse, just another way to kind of browse the different campaigns. Here's reporting and analytics to see how you're doing as you run your campaigns. There's additional resources here, such as the affiliate guide on how to go about becoming an affiliate with them so that you can promote. There's documentation, there's volumes, there's different blogs, different ways that you can advertise. They're talking about Taboola and what Taboola is, and just the different ways that you can promote and the difference between those. They also have blog information here, so very, very helpful, very, very helpful. Again, another income stream that you can plug in and have for your business and just level up. So that is going to cover it for this session today. Let me just go back into our PowerPoint here. I want to thank you guys for being a part. Join me next week as I bring some more income streams to you that you can leverage through this platform, TW3, that if you have a business, you can use this TW3 platform for your business and just extract what you need most to apply to your business. If you're looking for a business opportunity and always wanted to get into business for yourself, TW3 is a platform that you can use and start a business, your own business with. If you are just wanting to sell it, just to sell the platform as on its own, you can just become a sales rep and even train on it, maybe even get some affiliates with it to leverage even more. But so that is pretty much it that I wanted to cover today, is just those 5 income streams. Stay tuned next week as I unfold more revenue streams that you can have. And I look forward to seeing you guys next week. And thank you for joining me today. Again, I'm Valerie Williams, Coaching with Valerie, also Dimensional Talent Streams, the name of my business. See you next week, everyone. Take care and bye-bye for now.